Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. My people, how na dey? Na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening. Depends on your time and the location where you dey, you take come across this video. My people, I don come with this celebrant matter. I don come with this two in one topic when I wan talk about. My people, I go leave una with the video, make una watch am, make una just take una time watch the video. I explain well for the video. Abeg, if una watch am finish, una no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Nneka Queen TV. Abeg, those of una wey don subscribe, say Baba God go bless una. So my people, na here I go leave una, make una watch the video. If una watch am finish, make una follow me for my channel. Bye bye.
I am back again with this ogbonge tori. This time around na Nollywood actors now I wan talk about. The first one when I go talk about na you Edochie, when he come let us know say he come advise the general public say if you wan do marriage, he say you no need to go dey borrow money make you take dey do big wedding. He say e no good. Those of the way they do those things say e no good, and those of the way they plan to do that kind thing say e no good. He say because when you wan do marriage, you go cut your coat according to your size, who you wan impress. He say you wan impress people where at the end of the day you go come fall for igbese, at the end of the day you go come dey problem. He say you no need to impress anybody. Do your thing the way you know say your power go fit reach am. Do your things the way you know say you go fit you go fit carry. I know say some lady they go wan do big wedding make people know say their man or their husband get money, they wan do am, they wan show. So they forget say at the end of the day, if you do that wedding finish, impress people finish, buy them drink, this one, impress them finish, suffer go continue to continue to dey suffer. But all those money wey you wan go borrow take do this or take do this, at the end of the day maybe if you no fit realize the money for the wedding, you come dey igbese. Why not do the small wedding as your power go reach? Dey enter house, carry your wife enter house, start your hustling. So he come out na he come say make people dey cut their coat according to their size. Say you no need to impress anybody for this life, you no need to show yourself, because people wey you wan impress, at the end of the day you do am big or you no do am big, they will still talk. If you do am big, they go say hey, you no see that marriage when he do, you no see as he do am big, where he for see money, you no see. They go see find one way or the other take talk. If you see do am small, poverty na wan just kill that person. See the kind way wey he take do in marriage. He say no lis ten to anybody, cut your coat according to your size, don't impress anybody, do your thing, enter house, carry your wife, packet her, enter house. So the advice wey he give, he really give good advice for there. I really support the advice wey he do, because a lot of people at the end of the day they go for victim, they go come dey pay wetin they not supposed to pay, and maybe the thing wey they expect say they go get from the wedding, they not come get am, they go come, e come become wahala to them. So he say make we cut our coat according to our size. In terms of marriage, if you wan do marriage, he say if the woman no want make e do the marriage the way your hand reach her, he say make you fashion. You know say that one no be good woman wey God give you. So my people, wetin una think about this you Edochie matter wey you talk? You know say this our Nollywood actor is sabi act well. Na people wey no know am, I know say a lot of Nigerians know am. Where na Peter Edochie pikin wey dem dey call Okonkwo, or different kind of name wey people take know am put for the drama wey in dey act. You know say e dey act like im papa. If he reach ritualist in the act, na make when the big kubana do mama burial finish, people call the write and say make he teach them the way where he go for, they go for still make their money. When he come write come and say make them not the write am message again, no, he no be ritualist to in na also in the hustle. So my people, he doesn't come and give us the advice, say make we dey cut our coat according to our size in terms of marriage. If you want do marriage, as your power reach, you go do am enter house. Don't impress anybody. Not say make I do make people talk say na my own na tough pass, or na my own na big pass. No, but if you have the money to do it, do it. If you have the money, say you wan do am to impress people, you can do it. But say you don't have, make you go dey borrow make you take impress people, is not good. E no dey proper. Do the one wey your power go fit reach. If na the traditional marriage you go fit do, make you go fit do, you do that one, you enter house. If you go fit do all of them, you go fit do all of them, you can still do it, no problem. But say make you come go dey borrow make you impress one person, make you make the girl, because the girl wan make the whole world know say im do wedding, and where you know say you for your own side you no get the pepper no rest that way wey you go take do that kind thing. So you go just do am small, you enter house. So na be the advice when he come out, when he come advise us for this for a page. So now because he bring us someone we see shook our mouth put for inside the matter. You know, so we know they see where we know they talk. As we they see, we go bring come, we go shook our mouth put. So as we not say, as we they do they present the matter we na army boss. So anywhere we see, we go shook our mouth put. We go see present to our people, make our people see. In case of those of the way you ever say, because na write up na right, I mean not do one for video. For those of the way you ever see them, so they go see here wetin he talk, say see wetin he talk. See advice when you give. So my people, I wanna see the advice when you give. For those people wey get ear, let them hear. So e say cut your coat according to your size. Don't borrow money to do wedding. Don't impress anybody. You don't hold anybody explanation. You no matter how you go do reach for this life, they go still talk. Okay, say Obi Kubana when he do him mama better. You see the way people see they talk. Some come they some see criticize am. A lot of talk. The man nobody. The man be not them. He get money fine, but e no dey that so much popular wey be say e come become the whole world na e come dey reign now for social media. So you know say before people not too dey hear im name, but after this im mama burial when he do, a lot of people come dey hear im name because the burial they do am very big, be like carnival. If you have, you can do fine, but if you don't have, do the way your power go reach. You do am, you enter house. So now you Odeshi come let us know say let's cut our coat according to our size, because a lot of people go borrow money do this marriage finish. At the end of the day they go call the thing go call the cost katakata. The man if you know the sweet am because maybe it not be intention to do that kind of thing. Maybe the wife to be want am make e do the thing make e big, so e go wan make e impress the woman, make e make the woman happy, go put in hand for wetin e not supposed to put in hand. At the end of the day na e no go dey happy because e no see the money to take cover this money back. So maybe katakata go come dey. He say do your thing, enter house, go dey do your hustle. Not be say you come dey impress people, impress the finish, they eat finish, drink finish, do the thing make e big finish. At the end of the day na you go fall for inside wahala. Na you go come the wahala go come dey neck. So my people, the advice when he give is a very good advice. Is a very important one. So people take, especially our youth, make una take am. And if na wan do na not to get, do am the way your hand reach. If na just meet the family, pay the bride price, or you say you wan see do am for church, meet the pastor, they pray bless una. You see wear your the wedding gown. If you get to wear, you wear am. Then they bless una. Finish. It's not mean say we must call crowd the whole world make they come so, before they go. Don't say they do wedding. So I support the advice when he give. The second video when I want show to now, this one our video. Una know this our Lollywood actor wey they call Harry B. So he don't come, I come blow hot say somebody.
Harry B, I want to go off social media.
So na yera, so he don't blow hot say somebody use his name, his full name, to open YouTube. Is that the person use the full name to open YouTube? Any video when he put, say the person go cut am, he go edit and go put for the YouTube. The person go cut am, he go put for YouTube. The only thing when I see for that place, the person not supposed to use his name, because I know say the person wants make it get popularity quick. You know say YouTube is not easy to grow channel. Even Facebook is not easy for you to even they get follower or they get viewer. It's not that easy. But little one thing when I believe for this life is something they grow small. Where you start it, use your name. It doesn't mean you have to use somebody's name before you go reach that level where you want reach. No, you use your name open. But if the person gets video as he bring this one now I want to talk about it, I can take it and talk about it. But say you can't use the full name, because use the full name can't open the channel and you have your own name and everything. When he's saying they do, he say now you they put for the channel, people can't say now him now I get the channel, whereas not being get them. So now understand, maybe he can't get, maybe that one now can't get more follower or more subscriber pass you or more viewer. So the thing now the bossy the parlor head. know say this pale na papa guy. Papa guy, if he dance for you, if he dance for you, na only wetin one thing when I dey trip for this papa guy na the trouser wey he dey wear. That the trouser wey he dey wear, whether na trouser I go call am, whether na three quarter wey I go call am, whether na buluku labo na I go call am, I no know. So that the trouser he dey trip you well. I go dey ask say, this trouser e no get part 2, e no get second for market at all. The tailor wey dey swan for am, the tailor dey try well. So anyway, my people, before we talk about anything, let me play the video when you take talk, when you take blog, say he wan comot for social media, he wan comot for Instagram, he wan comot for all the old media. Papa, if you comot, you do yourself. Not say you do people, na yourself you do. Maybe those places now you dey get money from there, now that money not go come again. So not say because of say somebody dey cut your video or use your name take open, you go block your, you go stop to dey upload video, they do this one, they do this one. That money wey dey small money wey dey come from that place, e no go come again. And that person na e go dey see, dey put other video, maybe go dey collect other Lollywood people video, dey put am, they go think say na you na dey put am. Say maybe you no wan do video for some time, you dey take from your colleagues dey put. So anyway, my people, make e no be say Nneka dey talk too much. Let me play the video, make una hear. Pam.
I will stop posting on Instagram or my WhatsApp status. And I know that this will not overwhelm with you, but please understand where I'm coming from. My reason is that someone is perpetrating criminality with my name. Someone is committing serious crime with my name. Someone used my name, my full name, Harry B. Anyanwu, to open up a YouTube account called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. It is not mine. I just realized this when I opened up my own YouTube account called Harry B. TV. I just realized because this guy, every time I post something on my page, he will pick it, edit it, and put it on his Harry B. Anyanwu TV. Now this has been going on for over 6 months. He has over 60 of my contents on his so-called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. I have written a petition about this to YouTube. All to no avail. No response. Now the one that really hurts me is the advert I did to promote my own YouTube account. He picked it, edited it, and posted it on his so-called Harry B. Anyanwu TV. This is very hurtful. I'm really mad. I'm angry. I'm mad because everybody knows I'm a hard-working man. I am not a criminal. I don't take what don't belong to me. I don't rub off people's intellectuality. Why is this guy doing this? Is this not wickedness? I'm now trying to get my own YouTube account. And I'm having issues. Because everything I do is like I'm the one copying from him. So YouTube, please, I am appealing to you. I am specially appealing to you. Look into my case. Investigate that account. Investigate Harry B. Anyanwu TV. It is not me. I'm the real Harry B. This face has no part 2. You can't see this face anywhere. So let that individual provide his identity. YouTube, don't do this to me. Investigate this matter. Instagram, please investigate this matter. Every time I post something, this guy will lift it from my page, edit it, and put it on his page. This is criminality. He's committing crime. He's damaging my name. How can I build this name and somebody wants to destroy it in the name of criminality? So please, all my noble fans, I want you to understand where I'm coming from. If you have subscribed to that account, Harry B. Anyanwu TV, please undo it. Unsubscribe from it because it is not mine. You're doing it for Harry B, but that is not Harry B. You are doing it for a faithless criminal. Please, all Nigerians are appealing to you. Repost this. Support me. Thank you, and God bless you.
So my people, now here waiting our Papa Aribi, our Lollywood actor Papa Aribi talk. He said the guy use his name, his full name, he use until open the YouTube account. And he come like say, as in they post you, the guy go the editor they put for you. He say YouTube come they feel say that in they copy from the guy. So that guy, even if he they take the guy video, he not supposed to use his name because this one a Papa now. Take answer of Papa. This man, you see the way into the display. It's a bit display where especially for that he dance. That is he dancing step. He not get part two. You see as they tell una say his face not get part two, and also he trouser too where they wear not get part two. My people, now say he trouser too not get part two, and he dancing step too not get part two because this our Papa. He don't want there now. You see the musician, you see they sing, so you see sabi rap well. So that guy not do well. He's supposed to use his own personal name to open. I know say wetin the guy they try to do now to get quick subscriber, but one thing when I believe for this life, you will grow. So even if you open, no matter the time it will take, when God want to open your way, He will still open your way. As you dey take a content they put for your own, you suppose to use your own name, not be say you go use your name. One who first talk this thing, be like a Yore, he don first complain about this thing where somebody carry his own name, his own sort of water ministry, take open YouTube. Any thing when he put for your own YouTube, the person come he go cut the video they put for your own, and the person he said the one with the pen and pass, say the person for use your own name. You carry a video, e not still pay now, you go use your own name to open the video. It's not proper, it's not good that way, because now YouTube not gonna know who be the real owner of this channel, and the it go be like say maybe this as far as maybe the other person go they get more subscriber, maybe the other guy get more subscriber than our Papa Aribi, the Lollywood actor, the musician, the rapper, and the dancer Aribi. Maybe the person can't get more subscriber and more viewers, it go they affect them. So this kind of thing not good, because this man really is hardworking. You see, I get one video when I see for Facebook, when he gather children, they dance. This one a person Papa now, they display. After the whole display, you go just use the name, open your YouTube, come they pack a video, you not pay now. You see use the name, it's not done that way. So you don't cry, come and say for those of them who don't subscribe to that place, he say make una unsubscribe the person, say not being getter. And YouTube, he does see, they say don't write petition, but YouTube no answer. So instead they complain, constantly they tell YouTube and Instagram and any channel where the guy use the name to open, say make they look into this matter. You know, at the old age, you know, if they suffer for nothing. So if they suffer, I go come like say if they suffer, another person they chop his sweat. So you say we will share them. So now we see the help and the share. Now we chook our mouth. Now make me see shook my mouth to say make I see tell my people say see what our Lollywood actor Aribi talk. So it's someone that share them so that if fans all over the world go see this video, they go know say that Aribi Anyanwu be what he call and say not be you know. Make una take note, say not be you. He said the guy na criminality na they do. So the guy said the one when he pay na pass na the interview when he the advert when you do take promote your own YouTube channel, say the guy just see cut and put for you pakam the guy make you take her easy now. You for change that name now, use your own name. If you dey take a video, know how you go take the edit am, but make you can't use person name e not dey proper, because now it's like this Papa now come dey work for this guy. Maybe now the guy now go come dey get more payment. So I don't know the actual problem. So my people, make una help me share this video. You see now here I say make they share am, make una share am for me so that our Papa go get justice. YouTube fit answer am, make Facebook fit answer am, make Instagram people see answer am, so that this person wey dey use this name the way they use this in name for YouTube, they go say make dem bring am down. I no know, like, guy, if you go fit change your name for the YouTube, go and change your name o before they go still bring your channel down. So because our papa don cry come out, so we go dey help am, dey share am, dey share am, dey share am, because I love this man so much. The way he dey display, he sabi rap, and also he sabi dance. You see, at his age, so he no dey shame. You know say dem say where person for dey find money, anything wey you know say you go do to make sure say that you dey get that viewer, you go dey do am. So the papa go come out, he go dance 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 dance. You see that blue that trouser, that labu trouser wey he dey wear, wey no get part 2. You see, no get, him face no get part 2. That trouser wey dey wear no get part 2. So abeg, guy, make you pity for this our papa. You know say na old man, and our, it's just like your father wey be say dey come out dey do things wey be say e go make people laugh. You wan make people laugh, you wan make people smile. So my correct people, my ogbonge people, that's make I come shook mouth for this matter. So wetin una think about this video wey this our Nollywood actor Aribi come out talk? He say the thing dey pain am, the thing dey chop am, the thing dey provoke am. So he come out, he come provoke well say make the person stop am. So guy, if you know say you dey this video reach your hand, or anyone wey anywhere dey for post am e reach your hand, make you use your sense. So use your number sense, e no dey proper. Na him name when you use, na be the main thing. If you not use the name take do open that your YouTube channel. So my people, my ogbonge people, na here I go leave this story. So mona not forget to share am, help me share, mona help me dey share, mona dey help me dey share abeg, so that people go dey reach people. Mona help me share, and don't forget to follow me for this my channel Nneka TV, and also go to my YouTube channel, help me subscribe there. Help me subscribe for that place. So my people, thank you. For you wey be say you go dey use papa name dey open YouTube, use your own name. With time you go still grow, na small. This life na small. They say when they born pikin, when they born pikin, the pikin no dey grow one day, na small na dey grow. So take am say na so your channel go dey grow small. You don't need to run past your shadow, because wetin the person dey do na him dey run past his shadow. I know say a lot of people dey do, and they go use person name take open account, fake account. They go use especially this celebrant name, they go use and open account. All the old video, any video where the person just put back, you go see, and they will see edit and put for their own. So people for out there no go know say not be the person get am, because the person dey upload video every time, so they believe say na the celebrant na get the video, so that they go make the person dey quick get follower and a subscriber. So that make a lot of people dey do am. So not be say they just I don't know. So but it's not good. Use your name, grow with your name. Where you grow with your name, God will bless you. Ekachuku go enter. But if you don't want to grow with your name, you want to use another person's name to grow, Ekachuku no go enter. See this one now, he don't dey complain now. So let Ekachuku enter your own. So the blessing of God make it enter your own name. So that be the thing. Anyway, my correct people, now yeah, I go leave this matter. Now not forget to drop on a comment for the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video. The first one when I talk about for you Deshi, when you say if you want do marriage, not impress anybody, do am as your power reach. If na small your power reach, do am. But if you see get the money to do am big one, no, you are free. You go do am, celebrate am, because na once for life. But if you no get anyhow, your pocket reach, do am. Call your wife, sit down, say my dear, you know say we no get to, and after this wedding, life continue. We impress all these people, feel they come off with me and you go dey, we come dey problem. But if we do according to as our hand reach, as our pocket they tell us, if the pocket they show they dim light, you go see do am small. But if the pocket no dey dim light, say the green light e show well, you know now when green light show well, you know say the thing full, the green light show well. So you go do am the way you go do am, impress people as you want to impress people. So my people, I say remain on again Nneka TV. Please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give us our like button. Bye for now. I am coming back shortly. Bye.